Antarctica is the only continent on Earth without a permanent human settlement. Scientists from various countries temporarily reside here during the summer and winter seasons for research purposes. To survive the harsh environment, research stations are equipped with insulation systems and controlled supplies of food and water. Penguins, seals, whales, and seabirds inhabit the region, adapted to its extreme conditions. The Antarctic Treaty of 1959 reserves the continent for scientific exploration and prohibits military activities. Despite its challenges, this remote and unique land plays a vital role in global environmental research.